Gang. Yo, that mafia. Yo, Jesus. Peace. Yo, 16 hours? 16 hours? And that a one? Boom, boy. Yo, you know, she said, Jada reply already. Yo, me have to give her props just for that alone. You see me? Yo, enough artists, enough man artists can't do that. You see me? 16 hours and you're ready for boss girl head already? Come on, man. You have to give her props. But yeah, man, gang, you don't know, Jada just dropped a new track and you know this to Steff Land. The one named Steff Lazarus. And we're gonna check it out on social deal, bro. People are saying mad, people are saying sick. You don't know, but you don't know if we not approve it, you know get approved. But we'll jump right now check and see what go on. Cause we say Jada go half, you know, man. You see me? It's a Jada, Steff Lazarus. Let's get it.
You must name Steff Lazarus. Rise from the dead that give me chat how this possible. Who put in at the midfield?
Oh, the bomb. Weird. Steff Lazarus. You come rise from the dead. Yo. You
must name Steff Lazarus. Rise from the dead that give me chat how this possible. Who put in at the midfield when them know so you can't tackle? Well, you number one pussy come here make me gather you. The world don't know why your family overseas are do sacrifice.
Yo. She say yo. Steff Lazarus, you come war with me. Dead man can't war, you know. And that you say, you know, you rise on the green.
Well, you number war pussy come here make me gather you. The world don't know why your family overseas are do sacrifice. Your daddy should have sacrificed your brother too. Stop trying to pick up.
How would the bumbo clear? Weird. Sacrifice your daddy. You should sacrifice your brother too. Hold on, what kind of sacrifice thing? Hold on, don't you say any Illuminati? That's your
but this and go read the little son I wanna turn you in a puppy show. That is not a good look. Stop fool yourself from a respond your foot get broke.
Must have man turn in a puppy show to pussy clot. A long time, everybody call nobody puppy show still in a dog, hey.
Wanna turn you in a puppy show, that is not a good look. Stop fool yourself from a respond your foot get broke. Don't size up. You are the only girl me here say give a free fuck. Massacre and Floridians coming.
Weird. Whoa. Weird. Hold on. Weird. Hold on. No, man. Me get on myself, bro. Ali genocide and Tory Lanes I get bringing at this. Weird. You're the only girl I give a... No wrong for girl look at... Hey, me you are.
Don't size up. You are the only girl me here say give a free fuck. Massacre and Tory Lanes coming out your mouth. Drake never get a song but you give a good suck. You is not no...
Bumbo clot all Drake dog. Yo. Yeah. Massacre and Tory Lanes coming out your show dog. Hey Steff, you have to come and address them allegations. I know. It's a 38 seconds with that dog. We didn't even in a song good yet.
Be realistic. Anyway, my book me go deal with you.
Drake check you for your verse. That true? I miss it, you know.
We can take the whole day for drop a song. I'm in a impress. When you're the young, you fuck your uncle. That's a incest. You can keep the jokes for you.
She say you do the things them to your uncle. I want go and where Jada get them in for you from? No man, they want nasty up man. They want no man. They want.
Drop a song. I'm in a impress. When you're the young, you fuck your uncle. That's a incest. You can keep the jokes for yourself and princess. Kayo, so your people sell coke. It makes sense now.
Alright, okay. She called her at the coke line. Say yo, you can't keep it coke for you and your when you say your princess, big sis. You see me, cause yo, your family sell you only make sense. Jeez and peas. Me like how she twisted one day still. Alright.
Expose yourself but you a look close. If you go watch my pussy know what you a talk about. The boy was never 17, miss shit him out. Your brother breed a 14-year-old and you bail him out. Then you go give her mother.
Oh shit. Weird. Whoa. This some crazy allegations right here though. You see me and she say, yo, weird. She even address the youth. The man say, yo, the brother I know 17, now we are talk about. But your brother breed 14-year-old and you go bail him out. What kind of no man? No man. If them a true man, file a get run dog. Bumbo class.
The hush money junker. All man know is my
yeah, the mother hush money. Steff.
Family alarms.
Skeleton. Yo, that skeleton you get good. No man.
You a baby, you run go file, girl got team up with this is crazy. Me not take coke, stink pussy, girl your face. Take a African man face, start push bravery. Why?
She say, yo. She say, yo, y'all bright up yourself, no bring no coke argument on here, cause we not deal with that here, you see me? She say, yo, it's an African man, so you catch brave now. Eh? She say, you're turning a bomb. So you turn the woman them from Wakanda there, you turn warrior.
Me on the back of field shoot out there. Say you're a top girl and you a dry clay. Pussy stay up on your mind at that way. Stop act for the gram, you look fool like. Me up on the back of field shoot out there. You want the batch body dog.
Yo, Jesse, she up on the back of field shoot her die, you know, over a year, you know, dog. Alright.
Too bad mind. I can't defend myself for your feel like the baddest with me and the last one I stand. You a light work, you a quick slam bam. Try no me no ramp and me good now for
light work, you a quick slam bam bum.
King Jam top call party name, relax yourself before me reach London. Find your house and burn it down. A dirty bitch, I'm
Yeah man, bad girl business, yeah man. Someone my woman defend me, say, yo, stop call party name before me reach London. Find a place and burn that down. I want to you, man. Yeah, man, she said, no, my mother take me, man. Yo, badness. Hey, I said, no call her my man name. I want you. How you feel like? Hey.
Be dumb. I don't give a fuck no more if you not stop me now done. Came up did one, yes, no, you got the right one. The whole generation, your mama the next one. Tell her, left young boy make him fuck the young girl.
Man, say me the one, yeah, man. But you see, if you don't give a fuck, you know, me not done, you know. You see me, if you no business, me no business neither. Yeah, man, you go to the ground, me I go to hell. Well, no, not me, she, I go to hell. You see me?
Damn, I use your data money, mine man, ear day. She run go fuck beanie man that I no ear say. She a dash pussy from she have you in her belly.
Yo, Bumbuk lad, dog. I'll beanie man, dog. I walk one, say, yo, Bumbuk. Say, I know you say that. Hey!
Tell her, left young boy make him fuck the young girl them. I use your data money, mine man, ear day. She run go fuck.
She say, look, the young youth them make they fuck some young girl. She say, I use your data lunch money on mine, man. Yo, it don't look good. It don't look good. Jada, me no know if nobody can talk to you, but yo, no dog, yo, me no know if no dog, you got no manners. You are some beating Jada after this, man.
No, man. Hear say, she a dash pussy from she have you in her belly.
Damn, you dash pussy and you're pregnant, dog. These
like it's a family thing.
I don't even know if me feel listen to them tune your dog, no man.
From you 15, focus on yourself and what the fuck you want with me. Make you never talk, you the rapper boy, them battery. Put them on the song, no can't beat me. That pose for the gram, you look sad like.
Jesus Christ, dog, no. Am I even allowed to review them or listen to them?
Me up on the back of field shoot out there. Say you're a top girl and you a dry cry. Pussy stay up on your mind at that way. Stop act for the
top girl and you a dry cry.
The gram you look fool like. Me up on the back of field shoot out there. You want the batch body doll, too bad mind. But candy
the batch body doll. Say you look batch.
Let myself for you feel like. Man never sit down with no girl and plan me a bumbo clot and I'm in a fuck batty man. What the fuck? Since
yeah, she just the batty one I say she yo, she a top girl, she no batty man. Cause remember say yo, Steff say yo, she got deal with batty man we Jada. Hey, yo.
You need backup, I bet they go call you stud auntie or your batty man cousin and the drag queen nephew for come talk for you because you some
weird, Steff. Why you have so much fish in your family? I want to go and say you should call you stud auntie, batty boy brother, and drag queen cousin. How deep? What? I was gonna say something, but I don't want God send me. You know the Trinity, the whatever. You know God send me the dog. What kind? Yo, how I go on, Steff? No man.
Shut the fuck up. And now which dopey that you put on the intro? The same Christian girl where you sell fuck. I must have canned him.
Yo, it was say yo. I wish girl like to put on the intro. The same girl where you sell the thing or that. Hey.
Gimmicks this.
This people?
No girl nowhere. No girl not here.
Ooh, yo, they wanna. Hey, okay. This little bit more, hey.
When I'm a crew cup, I'm gonna ask you.
I suck your mama.
Yo, she a bad girl. She use her whole voice note. She a bad girl stand on that firm. Oh, I'm telling you, she standing on business. Yeah, man, yeah, she stand on business.
Which girl? Cause she sets me out.
Yo, some fire get running on man. Yo, Jada got an inside woman. Yeah, I said an inside man, an inside woman. Somebody inside from the family, man. Yeah, man, Steff, you have a cousin or like you, or a cousin. My cousin with the teaching from back in a second grade, yeah, man. And she tell all of your business to Jada right now. Cause somebody you do something to dog don't like your dog. Where she get them information from? Eh? And Jada, me can't talk to you. You see me in the war, dog, cause yo, yeah, Jesus and peace, man. Yo, that nasty man. Chapel file, no blood plead. Yo, me here about popcorn. Wait, a popcorn, I lie me a tell. I'm a popcorn massacre. You see, Jesus, me so much, me even forgot to me here. Yeah, man, massacre. Drake trick you for your verse. Yo, if you go link Drake, I can give you back your thing in the dog. I want you. Who else is it? Look at that. Being the man near me here to Buckley, dog. Yo, find your pregnant and give you the yo. You know, look nice, you know, pretty. You know, pretty. They were nice still, you know. They were nice. The war is beautiful. But you see, nah, man. I broke down the lyrics, them, man. This. You know, the woman them I love the one, man. For real, you know, the woman I love the one, man. It won't go on. I don't lie about the one, yeah. The one nasty up, man. The one, yeah. Steff. You know, say you see me, the bad man lyrics, the bad lyrics, them. You see me? You know, you have some file, some card with Jada. I have to go draw for the whole of them, man. Now, all of them, you know, but you have to come, yeah, man. You have to come nasty, Europe. You have to go stop. If me and you, me go in the studio and me and you chat no leaks, I cuss. Straight chasing. You see me? Yo, that was the nasty, man. But Jada did her thing, man. Sang bad, man. Me not lie. You see me? Two of them are go hard. The one there, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, the war escalate. Right now, you see me? Steff drop a bad one not too long ago. Everybody say, yeah, hard. No, Jada come now. The aggression too. Yo, what go on? Me don't know what go on, man. One day I watch and I look out at me here. You see me and I listen. You see me? Me know one thing about the one again. You see me? Yeah, man. Jada drop a mad one. Booping everybody at 16 hours too. Not even 24 hours, 16 hours, bro. Basically, in a CMD, you know, man. You see me? Well, it is in the CMD, you know, man. Right away. You see me? I said, crazy, man. Crazy. Let me know. What you think about this? In the comment section, gang. Yo, more know. In the comment section, I look out for someone and say, I know nothing about the one. But the war nice. Yeah, man. Jada, you did your thing. You see me? I say, I see your Steff. Yo, you can't quit now, you know. Let me tell you this man now, come here, you have post my IG, but yo, you don't have give all your time, no man, you have to go spend all of your time on this now. That's about you done girl, no man, you have to spend the whole of your time on this now, man. You have to come and reply, man. You see me and say, yeah man, real man, this crazy guy. I drop a video right now, let me know what you think. You see me, it's a boy Jambisco. I'm out.